5. Reasons why do cats make weird noises at night? 1. They're having fun. Those weird noises you hear could be the sound of your cat having fun and simply being a cat. They might chirp as they stalk a housefly through the living room or chatter along with the early morning bird song. 2. They're stressed. Besides sounds of enjoyment, cats can also spend the night expressing negative emotions. Yowling and low growling sounds can be signs a cat is feeling stressed. 3. They're expressing a desire. Your cat doesn't care that your alarm isn't set to go off for another several hours. If their tummy is rumbling, they're going to let you know. 4. They're dreaming. While it's impossible to know for sure, scientists are confident that cats dream much like humans. This means that even when your cat is sound asleep, they could still keep you awake with all their strange night noises. 5. They're not spayed or neutered. If they are not spayed, or if they don't become pregnant, the heat cycles will repeat almost year-round. During heat cycles, female cats yowl to call for mates. They're often agitated and especially vocal if they don't get what their bodies are telling them they need. Stay curious about cats. Hit like and subscribe for more.